sine law. So sine law is when we don't have a right angle triangle, because no right angle triangle means no hypotenuse, so we can't use SOHCAHTOA. So how are we going to find unknown sides or angles? So if we're going to use sine law to find a side length, we would equate one of these or two of these three ratios. And if we wanted to find an angle, then we would flip all of the fractions over, and this is what we would be solving for. So we just pick any two based on what we were given in our triangle and then solve for what we're looking for. So in this first example, we need to find the length of x. So we set it up like that, isolate our variable, use your calculator. Don't forget to make sure your calculator is in degrees. And we get our answer. And the question didn't give us any units, so we don't have to give any back. And remember, unless we tell you to, you'll just be safe and round to 2 decimal places. Okay, look at this one here. So here again, we have two sides. We have theta we're looking for, and we're given one other angle in the triangle of 25 degrees. But you need to realize that the angle we're given is across the shorter side. And if you remember from our notes, this is the ambiguous case, because we could draw this 10, we could draw a dotted line, so our triangle could actually be going like that. So it just means that there could possibly be two options for this triangle. So we started off always the same, the way we want to. We're going to isolate sine theta, use inverse sine to get the value of theta. Use your calculator, make sure you're in degrees. You will get that value because your calculator will always give you the acute angle. However, because this was the ambiguous case, it could also be 180 minus, and then you will get the other option. And remember, if we don't tell you anything about rounding, just go to 2 decimal places.